Hi, it's Nick Astor with TriplePundit.com here at the 2014 Fortune Brainstorm Green Conference in Laguna Niguel, California. I'm here with Rick Ridgeway from one of our favorite companies, Patagonia. Rick, it's always a treat to talk to folks from Patagonia because you're one of those rare companies that is willing to get down into the philosophy and the tough questions behind this thing we call sustainability. But let's talk about apparel industry in general. Well, first of all, what's the status of sustainability in the apparel industry in general, in your mind? Getting better, getting worse, remaining about the same?
Well, I think it's definitely getting better. First of all, we have this apparel coalition, the Sustainable Apparel Coalition, which has really realized escape velocity. It now represents 40% of the global market dollars for apparel and footwear, all dedicated to sustainability, achieving or building standardized tools to measure that, and developing common methods for managing the impacts that it's now measuring. So that's very positive. I think the industry is continuing to be a leader. The apparel industry or the textile industry at large can arguably be blamed for starting the Industrial Revolution, and I think eventually to be credited for leading us into the sustainability revolution. So, it's good news. And my company, Patagonia, we continue to do our very, very best to lead that trend. And we do it in some, I think, innovative ways. One of my favorite initiatives that we started last year is called Worn Wear, where we're working with our customers to convince them to join us in taking mutual responsibility for the full life of the stuff that we make and they buy from us. And interestingly, that is lines around the existing R's of repair. So we make it as easy as possible for our customers to repair stuff and get the most out of the stuff that they buy from us. If they're not using it, we encourage them to put it back in circulation. We'll actually developing a program now to take qualified used Patagonia products back in exchange for credit, and we refurbish those products and resell them to our customers. We're really advanced in the technologies we use for recycling all of our products, and we encourage, through this Worn Wear program, our customers to bring the stuff back to us if it's truly worn out. But I think the most controversial, and for me probably the most exciting part of this Worn Wear initiative is the reduce part. Because we're also asking our customers to think twice about whether they even need to buy new clothes in the first place. Or can your existing stuff in your closet get you through? And if it can, and that's your answer to our question, then you've done a big step in reducing your own environmental footprint, at least in terms of your relationship with apparel and clothing. Now that naturally leads to the question, well, if you ask your customers to think twice about buying your stuff, how are you going to stay in business? How does that work? And we believe it works if we provide our customers products that last absolutely as long as possible. If we help them repair them, if we make it easy for them to put them back in circulation, and we make it as easy as possible to recycle them, then those people who value those, that share those same values, are going to come to us and be loyal to us and buy our products when indeed they do need new clothes. And none of us are going to run around naked for now. We're all going to, our clothes wear out. People are going to have to buy new clothes, and when they do, we want them to select our brand because, again, we're as honestly as possible trying to help them reduce the impacts of their personal lives through our products.
Rick, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Great. Perfect.
How was that?